Australia's first Evnex E2 charger. Let's unbox this. Cool. This way. Got the instruction manual. Super important to follow this. This is a snow-coloured E2. It's a lot slimmer than the old chargers. 5 metre cable, Type 2 single phase. And of course we got the install kit for the electrician, which has the power sensor for the switchboard. Alright, get it open. Awesome, so with this charger here now we've got top entry and bottom entry options, meaning it's much easier for us to install. Evnex has gone to the trouble of installing this nice cover over all the electronics. It's already pre-sealed from the factory. Cool. I'm sure there'll be some cool background music over this. Got terminals on there now. Fantastic. Block your ears, everyone. That's a lot better than the old chargers. Not that there's anything wrong with the old chargers, but terminals for the power. Looks so much better.
Cool, so the unit's fitted. This is looking really awesome, Shane.
Yep.
And so what are you doing here?
We're just doing the final commissioning process. We're just checking the CTs in the switchboard, which is the power monitoring for the solar integration and home overload section.
Yep.
Obviously, we don't want to overload the mains of the house
Yep.
from charging the car when other accessories are on in the house.
Awesome, much better than having your fuse blown, right?
Exactly,
Yeah.
much
Awesome.
safer. Hey Al, how's it going?
Good. This looks great.
Yep, all done, ready to charge. Should we plug it in?
Let's give it a go.
Cool. As you know, your home has solar, so we've set it up in solar only mode, which means that it will divert all your excess solar energy into the car. So it'll capture that power before it goes back to the grid. In this case, if you did need a charge now, say you need to drive somewhere today or you've got to go a long distance today, you can always go to the charger and press the override button, which is just that central plus in the middle.
That one
Press
there?
that. Yep. In the charger's current state, it's yellow, which means it's waiting for solar to put into the car.
Okay.
So at the moment, you're not producing enough solar to charge a car. And when it does produce enough solar, it'll turn blue. If you did need to charge now and override it, you can press the central button and in 10 to 20 seconds, that'll charge.
Great. So it's currently charging at 6.8.
Awesome.
6.9. There we go.
So we've just finished the first install of the E2 here at Alan's house today. And the E2 is available now on our website, including an installation. Or if you'd like your electrician to install the E2, it's available by itself for just $13.95. Evnex is really excited to be supporting the transition to sustainable transport here in Australia.